We have a huge round of applause for all of our achievers here. Vestas Wind Technology India Private Limited as the largest wind turbine manufacturer with a capacity of 5,000 megawatt. Officials from Suzlon Energy Private Limited, Suzlon Energy Limited, could be better. So a huge round first loan amount of 1,05,000 crores. On to the SHAP 556 megawatts. Capacity commissioned with a capacity of 4,700, second highest achiever among independent power producers in overall solar park capacity, commissioned with a capacity of 60
gigawatt renewable energy capacity addition committed till 2030. A huge round of applause, please. May I invite State of Gujarat, please? Followed by Andhra Pradesh. Followed by Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, please. Yes, 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 yes.
ये शपथ पत्र इन सभी राज्यों ने अपने कमिटमेंट के लिए जो कि 2030 तक ये लोग करेंगे, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी कैपेसिटी एडिशन इंस्टॉलेशन करेंगे, उसके लिए है। तो सेकंड इज आंध्र प्रदेश 72.60 गीगावाट। आप आ जाइए।
Andhra Pradesh 72.60. I invite officials from Andhra Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh 47.63 gigawatt renewable energy capacity addition committed till 2030.
जेठानी, ये बताओ ये कहाँ से हैं? राजस्थान?
I invite officials from Madhya Pradesh to come up on the stage, please. Followed by Tamil Nadu. Telangana. I request officials from Telangana. Karnataka. Officials from Karnataka, invite them on the stage, please. Odisha. May I request officials from Odisha to come on the stage, please? Odisha. Officials from Himachal Pradesh are requested to join us on the stage, please. Bihar. Officials from Himachal Pradesh are joining us on the stage. Himachal Pradesh has committed 9.08 gigawatt of renewable capacity addition till 2030. Bihar. Bihar. May I request officials from Bihar, please? The next category is renewable energy developers category. I request renewable energy developers to come and present the Shapath Patra to Honorable Union Minister. As I call their names, please.
All those who have given above 5 gigawatt are requested to kindly line up on the ramp.
All the renewable energy developers who have committed more than 5 gigawatt are requested to come forward towards the stage, please.
Line up on the ramp.
Right side.
Come up on the stage, please. All the developers who have committed more than 5 gigawatts.
Request them to line up on the ramp.
Kindly line up on the ramp. The first renewable energy developer, Reliance Industries Limited, for 100,000 megawatt additional renewable capacity installation committed till 2030. also committed for manufacturing of 20,000 megawatt per year integrated solar PV and 20,000 megawatt equivalent of glass.
Keep calling. They have to give. We don't bother about the order. We keep calling and explaining. Keep it going.
I invite NTPC officials to kindly come on the stage. NTPC has committed 41,300 megawatt. We have NTPC chief on the stage with us right now. I invite Renew Private Limited, who have committed 40,000 megawatt and also committed for manufacturing of 6,000 megawatt per year ingot wafer, cell and modules. Renew Private Limited, please. May I now request Adani Green Energy Limited, who have committed 38,800 megawatt. I request officials from Adani Green Energy Limited to kindly come. Okay. Hero Future Energies. We invite Hero Future Energies officials on the stage. Hero Future Energies has committed 28,250 megawatt. Yes, sir. Yes, sure, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Understood. The Shapath Patras will be taken up afterwards, as honorable ministers have other commitments as well. We are continuing with the program.
Thank you. We move forward to special remarks from Honorable Chief Ministers of various states. May I request Shri Kanubai Desai, Honorable Minister of Energy and Petrochemicals Department, Gujarat, to deliver his address. Please, sir. ગુજરાત અને ગુજરાતીઓ આપણા જોશ માટે જણાય પણ અહીંયા કોઈ બી તાલીઓ નથી વગાડતું. I request all of us to kindly give a huge round of applause to all the ministers present here. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaskar.